Hello everyone, today we are going to be doing the chapter more about program coding. Anna and Sita went to an amusement park on a school trip. They played many games there. Sita won 5 chocolates and Anna won 7 chocolates. How many chocolates did Sita and Anna win in all? 5 plus 7 equals to 12. So we perform various operations on variables depending on the objective. Addition and division are mathematical or arithmetic operators. There are many types of operators. In computer programming, the operator is a symbol that tells the computer what operations are to be performed on the variable. The variable upon which an operator performs an operation are known as operands. Let us now explore the different operands in Java. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators operate on numerical values. Arithmetic operators, their symbols and their operations they perform are shown in table 6.1. Figure 6.2 shows a Java program using arithmetic operators. So, figure 6.1 is this table of arithmetic operators. Figure 6.2 is the code. So, arithmetic operators. What are arithmetic operators? They're numerical values. The arithmetic operators are designed by symbols and they have operations. That's shown in table 6.1. 6.2 shows a Java program using arithmetic operators. So, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, these all. Then the code is class arithmetic operator, public static void main string args, into num1 equals to 10, num1 equals to 2 equals to 5, and sum means addition of two, num1 and num2. System out dot println, the sum is plus sum. Relational comparison operators. Relational operators help compare the two values. The relational operators, their symbols, and the operations are shown in table 6.2. So table 6.2 is that relational operators is equal to, is not equal to, lesser than, greater than, or equal to, lesser than or equal to, these all. Description. Now, description compares if the values of the two operands are the same. Compares if the values of the two operands are not the same. Checks if one operand is lesser in value than the other. Checks if one operand is greater in value than the other. Checks if one operand is lesser than or equal to in value than the other. Checks if one operand is greater than or equal to in value than the other. Now the assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign a value to the operand. The assignment operators, their symbols, and their operations are shown in table 6.3. So equal to assigns a value to the operand. A equals to 10. So is assigning a value. So this A letter is equal to 10. That addition assignment adds the value of the first operand to the second. So the first operand adds to the second to form one more. So A plus equals to B. So then if A is 10 and B is 2, it becomes A equals to 12. Subtraction is A minus equal to B. So A will become 8. Multiplication will be multiplied. So A multiplied by equal to B. So A equals to 20. Division assignment, it divides the value of the first operand with the second. So A divided by or equal to B becomes A equals to 5. So 10 divided by 2 becomes 5. So class assignment operator, public static void main string args, int A equals to 3, int var is equal to A, system.out.println assignment plus A, var plus A, system.out.println increment plus var. Unary operators. It adds 1 to the operand, it subtracts 1 from the operand. And A plus plus A equals to 11. A minus minus A becomes 9 because when output is 10. So class unary operator, public static void main string args, int equals to A equals to 10 into res, int equals to plus plus a, system dot out dot print ln, increment is plus res. Logical operators. They are used to evaluate whether an expression is true or false. The logical operators, the symbols are shown below, and if both the operands are true or if one operand is true and not if one operand is false. Class logical operator, public static void main string args, system dot out dot print ln, 8 is greater than 3, system dot out dot print ln, 3 is greater than 5, system dot out dot print ln, 5 is equal to 5. The conditional statement if else or if else if, these all. While playing a game, we perform actions based on the rules or conditions of the game. Similarly, in everyday life, there are many actions that we perform based on certain conditions. Some examples are as follows. If we are thirsty, we drink water. If it is raining, we carry an umbrella or wear a raincoat. If traffic light is red, we stop the vehicle. This is conditional statement. So if if traffic light is red, stop. Else move. Like that. A conditional statement is executed if the conditional statement is set by the user evaluates to true or false. So Boolean we have learnt in Introduction to Program Coding. Let us understand with the help. So age equals to 25, age is greater than 18, true. Age equals to 12, age is lesser than 18, false. So if age is greater than 18, say you can vote, else say you cannot vote. So the flow chart, which you can see below, that is also related to that. Now Feb days equals to 29, Feb days equals to 29, true. Output leap year. Feb days 28, Feb days equals to 28, true, not a leap year. Feb days equals to 15, Feb days equals to 28, false, and Feb days equals to 29, false. Now enter the correct amount of days in February. So this checks it, okay? If statement, the if statement is used to evaluate one conditional statement. If the expression evaluates to true, the code enclosed under the expression gets executed. If it is if else statement. The if else statement evaluates an expression and executes the code within the statement if true. If it values to false, then executes the statement inside the else statement. If else if statement, the if else if statement allows multiple expressions to be evaluated at once. It is an extension of if else statement. Apart from if else, the switch case is also used in conditional statement. It's conditional logic. It's typically used when a number of conditions have to be evaluated. Okay. So now the question answers. Okay. Which of the following operators helps in finding we can distribute 10 apples among 5 people? Logical, no, it is arithmetic operator. Which of the following helps determine the lower price from the price of the two object? Relational. Which of the following helps in incrementing the value of number by 1? Unity. Which of the following inverts the Boolean result? None of these. No. Logical or. Sorry. Which of the following operators determines the value of variable less than or equal to it? Relational. The if-else statement executes the code within the statement if the expression is true. The if-else if statement is used to check multiple conditions. Operators and operands together help us with conditions. Which of the following is executed in a conditional statement which says set true and false by the user both 1 and 2? Which of the following is an assignment operator equal to equal to? In computer programming, an operator is a symbol that tells a computer what operations are to be performed upon that variable. variables upon that operator. Performs an operator is known as operand. In programming, we perform various actions on variables depending on the objective. A conditional statement to execute the code within the statement of the condition is true. And operators that operate on a single operand are called unary operators. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.